Close your eyes. Say. Do it again. Are you snoring? Boxes? Yeah, we're packing. Jack. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Close your eyes. Snore. I know you're drinking your water. Snore. Can you snore? Honk.